In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting, whether you're attending a work conference, a virtual class, or catching up with friends and family. Joining a Zoom meeting is a vital skill in today's digital world. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you feel comfortable and confident. First, start by opening your web browser or the Zoom desktop app on your PC. If you haven't already installed the Zoom app, you can simply download it from the official Zoom website. It's user-friendly and ensures a smoother experience compared to using the web version. Once you have the app open, you'll notice an option that says Join a Meeting. It's usually prominently displayed on the home screen, making it easy to find. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a window where you can enter the details needed to attend the meeting. Now, you'll need to enter the meeting ID. This is a unique identifier provided by the host of the meeting, like a phone number for virtual rooms. It's essential to type it correctly to avoid any connection issues. Next, you'll see a field for your display name. Here, you can type how you want to appear to other participants in the meeting. It can be your full name, just your first name, or perhaps a nickname, depending on how formal or informal the meeting is. After setting your name, it's time to decide how you want to participate in the meeting, whether that's through audio, video, or both. You have the option to connect with audio to speak and hear others, or with video if you wish to be seen by others. You can adjust these settings as per your preference or the requirements of the meeting. With everything set, click the Join button. However, don't be surprised if you're prompted to enter a meeting password next. The host might have set one up for added security. Be sure to have this password handy, as it'll be necessary to gain access to the room. Once you've correctly entered the password, you'll be welcomed into the meeting space. You're now able to fully participate in audio discussions, and if you've chosen the option, in video as well. Don't forget, you can also contribute to the conversation by using the chat feature, a great tool if you have a comment or question when others are speaking. And that's it. You now know how to join a Zoom meeting. With these steps, you're all set to connect with others seamlessly and efficiently. Remember, familiarizing yourself with how the interface looks and operates can boost your confidence and make your virtual meetings an enjoyable experience. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.